The surface of the earth is always changing. Mountains and valleys rearranging. That's because the earth is covered up with giant plates. And when they rub together, we get earthquakes. Shake, 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 shake it, baby. The ground looks solid, but it's waving. It's the motion of the mountains burn. Boom, 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 but I've got rhythm in my soul. So when the ground, the rocks are gold, I surf on the surface of the earth. If you wonder just how big these plates are, some are as big as our United States are. They are always moving, but they're moving really slow, about as fast as our fingernails grow. Oh, shake, 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 shake it, baby. The ground looks solid, but it's waving. It's the motion of the mountains burn. Boom, 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 but I've got rhythm in my soul. So when the ground, the rocks are gold, I surf on the surface of the earth. Sometimes when a plate has moved a lot, it opens up a crack we call a hot spot. Through that open fence, molten rock will start to flow. Kids, don't get too close to the volcano. Whoa! Shake, 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 shake it, baby. The ground looks solid, but it's waving. It's the motion of the mountains burn. I surf on the surface of the earth. I surf on the surface.